5 years after reading this vintage bike its last rites and putting it on life support, the owner still didn't really know what she wanted to do. If she was looking for another basic fix-up, I no longer have the patience. But what I do have is a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a long career as a professional bike mechanic, custom frame builder, and successful track racing star. Skills that make me a dream for customers like her. If she decides to go for a simple, cheap job now, that'll be the end of it. I will not make it as fast and smooth as it can be. I will not be able to make it stop safely, and the bike will continue to be a mechanical burden. But if she wants the job done properly, I will find the parts, I will make the modifications, and I will make it a dream to ride. Ever since the bicycle was invented, humans have looked at them and asked, how can I make this better? I like taking old and sometimes silly bikes and just outright souping them up and bringing them into the future. The joy for me comes from making bikes go faster, smoother, stop better, and have longevity. Anyone can make the modern new stuff feel good. It comes out of the box like that. This is just the beginning.